What is the doctor of bones and joints called? Correct answer. Orthopedic doctor. What is the doctor of the eyes called? Correct answer is ophthalmologist. What is the doctor of the digestive system called? Correct answer is gastroenterologist. What is the doctor of the kidneys called? Correct answer is nephrologist. What is the doctor of the female reproductive system called? Correct answer is gynecologist. What is the doctor of the ear, nose, and throat called? Correct answer is ENT specialist. What is the doctor of mental health called? Correct answer is psychiatrist.